Hi everyone, this is Theo with TCL Moka. This is our X82 premium IP product. It features a RK3576 chipset. Currently, it's running Android 14 EDLA, so it's ready for Google mobile services with a set of Google apps, and also its security features, its free control, and also its security updates. In terms of its core feature, whiteboarding, as you can see, you can do it up to 50 points, touch and write. And also we support point and pen separation, so you can write with only the pen and also touch and select features with only your hands. And in the future, we are planning to, this one supports 65-inch, 75-inch, and 86-inch, and it will come. This is an ODM product, so you can put any kind of logo on it if you want. For more information, visit our website www.mokadisplay.com, and thank you.